and what's more, I forbid you from having anything to do with that girl called Eluba. She's evil.
Uncle, leave this your Tofiakwa and your Tofiakwarin. Leave this Tofiakwa and your Tofiakwarin. Let me tell you, Uncle, as a matter of fact, you have thrown me into a confused state that I cannot find myself. Let me ask you, Uncle, what has Enoma done wrong to make you tell me that I will not marry her? What has she done wrong? What is wrong about her?
Ignatius, look elsewhere. Your own good. Leave that girl alone.
I should look elsewhere. I should leave that girl alone. Uncle, the very day I was counting my plans to you, I counted, one of my plans was I wanted to get married. Settle down and you sanctioned it. Now I came back to tell you that I have seen somebody I want to marry. You're telling me not to marry this girl. Tell me what is wrong with it. Let me tell you, no matter what you say, no matter what you do, as a matter of fact, I met her mother who sanctioned, consented to my marrying this girl. So nothing you can do about it.
Iglesias, if I tell you what that girl did to me and my wife few days before you came back, you will not believe it.
Uncle, don't tell me that one. Whatever thing that transpired between you and your wife and Enoma is your own business, not my own business. You have done nothing wrong to me to judge her in this manner you're judging her. If Enoma comes to me and do something wrong, I know she has challenged me directly. But judging her by what transpired between you, your wife, and her is not my business, and I can never be my business. Let me tell you, Uncle. Nobody. This girl is a girl that I have decided to settle down with. The girl that I have decided to marry. Nobody born of a woman, not even you, not even your wife, can change my mind from marrying this girl. Let me tell you, Uncle, with due respect, merci beaucoup. Au revoir, monsieur. Allez, vous tous.
Iglesias, come back here. Are you walking out on me?
Nine.
Hey.
Leave him alone.
Hey.
By the time Enoma teaches him small lesson, nobody will tell him to change his mind. Let's go inside. Leave him. Let him go.
Hey. It's all right. No problem.
And now, why was this in our head?
Here comes my learned friend, who has read all the books there is in the world, including the ones in the underworld, beneath the world, and off the world. And currently, he wants to build his own world. I respect him because you traveled out and came back with briefcase. That is why I love you so much.
Fantastic, yes. Fantastic. I love the praises. I love the end of the praises. You said, I traveled far and near. I came back with briefcase. That is to say that I achieved something. Others went and came back with nothing. But I came back with briefcase. And the content of this briefcase are things that will please your heart. What am I talking about? As a first-class material, if you open this briefcase, all you see here are first-class tools. But that is by the way. Let me keep it aside. Well, my old good friend, thank you very much for all the praises. My old good friend, who have turned himself into a certified drunk. Formerly, you were not like this. You decided to go this way, but that is not by the way. Let me tell you, young man, anytime you begin to do these praises to me, I know you are up to something. Tell me, what are you up to this time?
Wonderful question. This question is wonderful. I was actually on my way to your house before I met you here. Okay. Now that I have seen you here, I need some capital to refill my shana. I am running out of stock.
It's all right. There is no problem. Make do with this.
Thank you very much. Him! This is awesome. This is awesome. Ignatius Weke. Thank you so much. Ignatius Weke. The soon to be barrister, professor of this community.
You have gotten what you're looking for. So why would you open your mouth to talk nonsense?
Were you talking to me?
No, I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to some other person.
Thank you.
As a matter of fact, have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you, Weke. The soon to be king of our land. Remember to make me one of your judges when you open your chambers. Thank you very much. This is great. When you watch here I come. This is Boam. Hey, this is Boam. Thank you. When you watch here I come. Who watch the wine? Here I come. Who come? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Honestly speaking, this is...
I've been waiting for you.
Do you know that you cannot cheat nature? I was coming from my uncle's house. It was dry there. Only for me to hit the road and experience the rain. You cannot cheat nature. Nature is so wonderful. Honestly.
Do you know, I've been here before it started raining.
Of course, I left before the rain. You know. What's a debilitating consanguinity?
What did you say?
Oh, sorry. I mean to say, I am happy to see you here.
Thank you. Prof, I want to tell you that I like you and your big grammar.
Wonderful. You see, I am overwhelmed, joyous inside. You know, this is how you speak when you are an erudite. This is how you speak when you are a legal luminary. This is how you speak when you are a professor. You understand? Without mincing words, I want to let you know that I like you too.
Hey, really?
Yeah. Of course. You know what? Alright. The weather is cloudy and it is raining. And I'm sure, having waited for a very long time under this rain, your body system, at least, must have attracted some kind of cold, you know, and you deserve a German, an England wine, that which Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace gave to me on the day I was departing England. Let me take you inside and show you my revivification and retrospective love, in fact, undying love, which I have for you.
I don't understand.
Oh, sorry. Once again, what I meant is, let us go inside so that I can offer you a drink as a result of, to express how I feel deep down inside of me for you.
Okay.
Wonky.
After you now.
Let's move in.
After you.
Alright. No, go in.
Enuma, I called you here so we can discuss.
Discuss about what? Oh, have you? Don't tell me you're finally gone to meet that Ashawo. That Akuno.
Who?
Osim.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
Osim, what am I talking about? Exactly what you know I'm talking about, Afa.
Enuma, anyway, I called you here to tell you that my father is making plans for me to go to the city and learn trade and make meaning out of my life. That's why I'm here.
City? Afam Omame. To fear is impossible.
I don't understand how.
So, you want to leave me in this whole village, Okwaya? You want to leave me to suffer? And now I know you're not a good friend. In fact, let me tell you, I'm going to that city with you.
As what?
As your best friend. Yes, as your best friend. So when you requested that we become best friends, you don't know, Okwaya? Eh? So bad. Let me tell you my own good news too. I am going to that same city so I can go to father school and become father.
Reverend sister, you mean?
Anyone. Afan, what's the meaning of this one now? Are you laughing me now?
So funny, everything is funny. Yeah? You said you want to go to seminary school and become a reverend father. You're a woman, you cannot be a reverend father. Rather, you become a reverend sister, and sisters go to convent. Why fathers? Before they become reverend father, they go to seminary school.
Bam. Okay, Kuchana. No wahala. But I've told you that I'm going to that city with you, whether reverend sister or reverend father.
Anyway. That's what I came to tell you. I will see you.
See, Afam, let me tell you, you're not going anywhere. Both of us will die in this village. Eh? So you want to live Enoma, Nwamandoba in this village? Nah, Afam, not possible. You're lying. In fact, Afam, wait for me, or you're not going anywhere.
Enuma, or what do you call yourself? Eh? What is your business about where I'm going to?
Look at this useless man. Oh, you think you can slap me and go scot-free in this village? Enuma, Nwamandoba. If you so sit now and discuss something that does not concern you, with all those your stupid elders in this village, you can have the guts to do it. Now you are acting rubbish. You're saying rubbish.
Enuma, watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. I have children like you.
Eh? Children? Who do you even call children? Is it that one that is doing boy for somebody in the city that looks like one Oda or Ada that cannot even stand my point? Nah, those your children are useless children. Let me just tell you now if you don't know.
It's just one thing. I would have used this thing on your head now. I would have used this thing on your head right now.
Hey!
I would have used this thing on your head now.
Hey!
See,
No, come here. Come back here. You say you don't use it in my head. This one. Now give me this thing. Let me see you. Knock my head. Now look at this man. No, you can't do anything. You can't do anything.
Enuma.
Now happy in
Enuma.
Now knock my head now. I said knock my head. Now happy in give me this thing. You can't do anything. Look at this man. So you think now you can't do anything. Do it. Do your worst. I said do your worst, this man. You can't do anything, eh? You want me to slap you? You want me to slap you? Now take there. Useless man. You want to put my time in this village? Hey, now look at this man. You don't even know me, You don't know me. I said slap me, do your worst. You can't slap me, do your worst. Look at this man. Now beat me, I'm waiting for you. Now you can't do anything. Pack where? You can't do anything. Respect yourself. See, respect come and go. Where? Take him there. Idiot. Now take this thing you call cap. Take this thing you call tea. Respect yourself, Respect yourself, This man, respect yourself. If you don't see, respect yourself, Walk and there. Idiot. Come and try me. Come and try no man. Nah, see. Take a cheap pill and relax. No. Respect yourself,
This is wonderful. This is buxom. In fact, I want to ask you one profound, in fact, a prolific question that I want a good answer. Let me ask you. I hope, this tantalizing moment will continue, because I cannot resist it. I hope it will continue.
Of course. So long as you promise me that I'll be the only one and no one else.
Of course. Of course. Who else? I will not be doing this with any other person. You are the only baby that I have, and the only baby that I'll be doing it with. Why will I do it with some other person? Let me tell you, no woman, no baby can fit. In fact, judging by the way you handled me on bed, no woman can fit into that shoe except you. So there will be no other apart from you. You understand?
Alright. Let me get going before someone sees us.
Hey, you want to get going? It's okay. It's okay. Wait. Go. Jesus, this is wonderful. This is suboxone. This is unconditional. In fact, the way she gave it to me, it is scattering my head left, right, and center. I never knew these village champions can be this strong. Do you know, even in Buckingham Palace, when I met Rosalie could not handle me this way. But this girl came, she scattered, she swept me off my feet. Eludite Ignatius. In that case, if all these village champions can be this strong on bed, can be this bedmatic, can be this systematic on bed, can be this, mesmerizing on bed, what I will do is, I will begin to, in fact, I will apply environmental research. I will apply environmental research on all the village OBKCs. All the village. No, before I do so, don't forget you are an erudite. Don't forget you are a legal luminary. Before I do that, I will have to apply visibility studies, know everything, and know how to handle.
Understand though. Now what's the meaning of all this now? Now before come back here. What's wrong with you? I don't understand this thing no. Now let me just pass now.
Nah, madam, come back. Exactly what you're thinking. I have been so lenient with you. Do you know what? You're going to pay for all your evil deeds today.
Exactly. Today is payback time. Hey! See, as far as I'm concerned, it's only a coward that can come out in group to face Enoma, in this village. Oh. So just pack away, let me pass.
Come here.
Come back here.
Will you shut up?
Is it because we see you as our friend in this village? And we are taking all your nonsense? And you think you can go around to terrorize everybody? See, we are going to deal with you today. In fact, I advise you to run home.
Ope! She's going nowhere. We will deal with you today.
Nah, see, let me tell you. You see you. Uchechi. Ngiwa, Ada. Mama, what get better? Nah, I'm gonna make it fair. Nah, I'm gonna make it fair. You don't make it. Leave me alone. Give us some. Give us some.
Original dancehall. Why you not be smart? Baby, want it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby. It's a Friday night. This girl, me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high.
Cool, me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody. Cool, say me the rose back crazy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear when they wine like a maga? Say bad man to ask them, so who born their bad maga? So me tell her, say your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her, say your mother and your father be the maga.
It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl.
Me again. I never knew you can dance this very good. I'm telling you, I never knew.
Really?
I'm telling you. Of course, of course. The moment I found myself into this arena, I saw you the way you were dancing, the way, in fact, your dance almost swept me up off my feet. You know, the one that caught my fantasy so vehemently was when you bent down, the way you were rolling your waist, rolling, oh God, that was so marvelous. I'm telling you.
Hey, are you serious?
Yes.
Thank you.
Honestly speaking. Hey, but it's all right. Because you can do this well in dancing, I have decided to sponsor you with my money into United States of America for dancing competition. I know very well that if you go there, you are going to come back with first class.
Hey, are you serious?
I'm telling you. You know what is going to happen? As it is, in fact, from now, I'm going to telewire Queen Elizabeth. Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace, to tell her that I'm bringing a brilliant dancer. And I'm sure she's going to like it. Before then, let me show you how we used to do it in England. Play the music, let me show you.
Ha! Now let's play music, let's play music. Let's dance.
Original dancehall. Why you not be smart? Baby, want it slowly. Just wanna spend it on you. Just wanna pump it on you. My baby. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high.
Cool, me no bad man cheesy. I don't say me no send anybody. Cool, say me the rose back crazy. They just say me no fear anybody. Sexy girl, she want make me feel alright. Say this girl, she want turn up the light. I got the power and I got all the might. So me turn up the stage and me turn up all night. Who be the bear when they wine like a maga? Say bad man to ask them, so who born their bad maga? So me tell her, say your mother and your father be the maga. So me tell her, say your mother and your father be the maga.
It's a Friday night. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright. Me no push. Me no take a high. You don't think this girl, me no feel alright.
Somebody rest. Shut up. Somebody rest. Shut up your mouth. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up your mouth. I'll get today. The devil is a liar. Shut up. The devil is a liar. I said shut up. Hey. Shut up. Hey. I'll get it. Somebody rest. Deliver. Shut up. Somebody should deliver me. Somebody should deliver me.
What are you doing?
Hey. Stop. Hey. Stop. Hey.
Stop.
Somebody help.
Hey.
Somebody help. Somebody. Hey.
to kill him today. Oh.
Hey, I'm finished.
Let me ask you, what transpired? What happened that you want to kill him?
Ask him. He's here, ask him.
Thank you very much, my learned friend, for coming to my rescue. This girl, she almost killed me. She has beaten away all the energy given Shana I took since day before yesterday and today.
Let me tell you, Konu, this is not a matter of learned friend or no learned friend. I am not your learned friend because you are not learned. I want you to tell me the truth and nothing but the truth. Because whatever thing you say here is going to be used against you in the court of law. So tell me, what transpired between you and Inoma?
Thank you. Thank you. My learned friend, Ignatius.
Ignatius, it transpired. Stand up!
I cannot even stand. She broke everything in me. It was from where I was buying my necessary Shana this morning. Then, suddenly, my hands waved. And touched her, mistakenly touched her factoral industrial layout. That is the central nipple, to be precise.
Let me tell you, your hands waved.
Yes.
Your hands no longer have control. It waved.
It waved.
Let me ask you again. How did your hand know that is the nipple? That your hand waved directly to the nipple without going through the surroundings of the breast?
It waved.
Let me tell you, this thing you did now is tantamount to landing you into 40 years imprisonment in the high court of law if you don't know.
Oh.
Let me tell you, Inoma, please don't be angry. As a legal luminary, as a professional, and I have to make a report in the court, So I have to be cross-examined, and in examination. That is to say that I will be asked, what actually, how did it happen? That is what the judge will ask me as a legal luminary, present when Dixon. So let me be sure let me know. He said, according to what he said, is it true that he not like I'm touching your, but is for me to be aware and sure, so that in the court of law, when the judge will be asking and cross-examining, I will know, did he actually, he said his hand swung, I don't know, did he touch your, like, it, no, I didn't, I was, no,
I am not here anymore.
Hey! Why you
Honestly, I don't know when Enuma will stop this fighting habit.
This girl. If you had witnessed her punch, if you had witnessed this girl's punch, so heavy like that of McTax, I was wondering, the way she handled me, the way she handled Okono, the way I saw her beating Okono, the way she was releasing punches on Okono, the way she gripped me, I wonder if this is a feminine. If this is not something else, living inside a feminine species. Why you? Take it easy. This thing is very painful.
Sorry.
Uju, what are you doing here?
Are you blind? Can't you see I'm helping Prof massage him of what Enuma did to him?
What? Prof, you mean Enuma fought with you?
Fighting is an understatement. I am telling you, do you know that I do not understand the kind of power this girl possesses? If you see, you needed to be there. See how this girl was flinging me like a nylon bag, like a cellophane. Flinging me. Before you know it, as a matter of fact, if you see the way she was throwing punches on my friend, before you know it, she held me, gripped me into her hands, that I almost lost breath. I am sure she beat me because as we speak, I am feeling some pains here. She gripped me, and the moment she gripped me, she used either her nails or her teeth on me. But let me tell you, this girl had the effrontery, the audacity, the impetus to do this to Prof, Eludite, legal luminary, Ignatius Weke. By the time I finish with her, by the time I finish descending on this girl, she's going to go to a maximum security prison and occupy a comfortable place for herself as a home, as an abode for herself.
Anyway, sorry, Onna. Ndo. I was actually on my way to the market when I said to breathe in and check up on you. Let me start going now.
Thank you very much for this your eliciting visit.
Sorry, yeah? Ndo. Prof. Prof!
Eh?
Don't tell me you have something to do with my friend.
Who to who? Something like what?
I'm sure you're not having anything to do with her.
I have said I don't have anything with her.
You lie, Prof.
I lie.
You lie. But if I found out, if I find out.
I lie. She said I lie. Professor, erudite, legal luminary who have dealt with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace. She said, you lie. I lie. This is what I cannot understand. Let me tell you, this is preposterous. It is preposterous. How can you look at me, a legible man, an elite like me, an elite like me, telling me that I lied after dealing with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace, after having dined with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace, dealt with other judiciaries and parliament. I came back to this place only for you to tell me that I lied.
Yeah, I've said my
This is preposterous. She said I lied.
If somebody would tell me that sorry would come out of any man's mouth, I would tell that person that is a big fat lie. I feel her pain so.
I can imagine what she's going through now.
Well, I think we all still need to go and sympathize with her. After all, she's still our friend.
Sure, we will, one of these days.
Enough of Enuma and her troubles. Let me break my own good news. Professor Barrister Ignatius Nweke just proposed to me last night. I thought as much. Oh my God. What is so funny now?
You must be a daydreamer.
How?
Does he look like one who is ready to get married anytime soon?
All he knows how to do best is to speak grammar that is not even correct.
Uju, is that why you are always glued to him?
Anyway, all I know is that all of you will be in this village and I will invite you for my traditional marriage.
And I will be there.
Sweetheart, I will personally be your chief bridesmaid.
Mba, don't go there. I'll be the one.
Mrs. Ignatius.
Are you girls not happy for me?
No. I am personally happy for you. Personally. I'm happy for you.
Whoever did this to my daughter will have no peace. The living God, you must punish that person. The person will know no peace. He will suffer, he or she will suffer 1,000,000-fold over.
Amen. But Mama, please stop crying. Oh, Biko, I will go and see the man of God for this matter. Because stop crying.
Afam, tell them to leave. Please go. Go.
Enuma, why do you want us to leave? We came here to sympathize with you. Or is there anything bad for us to come and console our friend?
See, Abby, I think she has her reasons. Oh, please, you have to go. When the tension comes down, maybe you can come back. Oh?
We fought her the other day. I think she's still angry. But she should know that we are not happy that she's not well. That is why we came to.
Yes, you're mocking me. You came here to mock me.
No, yes. Sorry for what you're passing through. Please accept our sympathy. Sorry, you know.
No, you need to forgive them. They're your friends. They've come to sympathize with you, not to laugh at you. Forgive them, big one. Forgive them.
Ebere. Uju. Chechi. Ada. I'm forgiving you people.
Hey, thank you. We pray you get well soon, okay?
Bikonu, help me. I'm praying for her because she needs prayers. Bikonu. Lozono okoni no na eti maka na oye eti gi okpodi egwu kita.
Stop crying, Mama. She will be okay.
Yes, come in. Good day, Father. Good day, brother. From how are you? Father, I'm fine. Father, please, can I see you?
Oh, I wanted to go to the hospital to pray for a sick person. I hope all is well.
Father, all is not well. Father, I am afraid.
But they are already waiting for me at the hospital. So you can come tomorrow morning and we have time to discuss whatever thing it is. Tomorrow morning, I'll be better. Okay.
What is after you?
Mama, I don't believe this.
What happened?
Mimi sisters caught up with a no, ma.
What happened?
Eh? What did you just say? What happened?
Papa, Enuma now has swelling hands and legs.
Eh?
Lie.
Believe me, Mama. I swear. I saw with my 2 naked eyes when I was running from the market. A rumor has it that somebody did it to her.
I said it. I said it. That one day, the gods of this land will deliver us from the hands of that evil girl called Enuma. How can one small girl be terrorizing us in this village? Hey, ancestors, I thank you.
But that girl is lucky. She's lucky that he did not kill her or even make her mad.
The little one that has happened to her is enough to make her to calm down.
Papa, see, the Enuma I know will never calm down.
My son, you are welcome. Go to the kitchen, carry your food and eat. Oh?
Thank you, Mommy.
I'm happy, honestly. What has happened to her is a good thing. I'm happy. At least we all sleep now and get up. Sleep with our eyes closed. That girl is...
So she's still alive.
Look, well...
Yes, come in. Brother, you're good. Please sit down. How are you? Fine. Father, I came to tell you that my friend and her mother are passing through a lot right now. And she's the only daughter of her mother. Father, this person I'm telling you developed swollen leg and swollen hand just yesterday.
The devil is a liar.
Father, please do all you can to help that family. The devil is really at work in that family. Father, why I came here is that I know what you can do. God is really using you to help people. Please, please deliver that family. Please.
I want you to understand that whatever the Lord has used me to do in this parish it's all to His glory. And as the Lord lives, we shall continue to do His work. I will pray over it. What is that her name?
Enuma.
Enuma. There are a lot of things the Lord is revealing to me concerning that family. What is her surname?
Okay.
Okay, there are some things the Lord is revealing to me, but like I said, I'll pray over it. I'll get back to you in some days, okay? Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, man.
Mama, I went to see Father Jude, and he said that God revealed to him that there is something you did in the past that is affecting your family. And until you confess that these things will never stop. And as for Enuma, he said that Enuma insulted an old man recently, and that man is the cause of her problems.
Are you done?
Yes, I'm done.
You get out of my compound. Stupid boy. Because you're my compound, boy. Look at you. Evil man. You went to connect with some pastor to come here and tell me nonsense. Eh? Implicating Father Jude. In Paula. Because get out of my compound.
Mama, why you they talk like this now? Yeah? You didn't see my condition. And still, you're still saying this. Why? Nah, Mama, tell me what you know that I don't know now. Mama, please.
Yeah. No, instead of you to think of how you're going to apologize to whoever, old man that you insulted in Oleba and asking me, what is it that happened? Don't let me say things that I wouldn't want to say. You're the one that has been influencing my daughter negatively.
Mama, stop now.
Nonsense.
Mama, please now. Yeah,
Bring down your hand.
Hey.
Bring it down. Oh.
Hey. Hey.
Uncle, if you see the beating this guy gave to me some days ago, honestly speaking, Uncle, till now I have not recovered from the shock. Uncle, if I tell you how my body is paining me all over, you won't believe it.
I warned you, but you refused to listen to me. Now you have learnt your lesson. I'm happy about that.
Uncle, honestly, I have learned my lessons. I have really learned my lessons. As a matter of fact, I cannot visualize. It still baffles me. I am lost in confusion how a feminine could have such strength. Uncle, if you see this girl's punch, her punch is like that of volcano eruption. Honestly speaking.
That's good. Now that you have experienced Enoma very well, when are we going to visit our parents?
Which parents? Am I stupid? Somebody is here telling you how he was beaten up, and you're telling me to go and meet parents. Which parents? Uncle, in fact, you see that girl? Instead of me to marry that girl, I rather remain single all my life.
I'm happy this is coming from you. So, as they say, experience is the best teacher. So what is your next plan now? I mean, what is your plan?
Uncle, let me use this medium to break Akin Sube to you. Let me use this opportunity to tell you that I have searched around after the incident. I decided to swing into action in search of some other person that will benefit me and I will benefit. To this end, I want to let you know that I have found another girl that I want to marry. A girl that I want to build my empire with, and not that Maggie Taxi. Well, this girl, she is so sumptuous, you know, so lubricatious. In fact, if not for one thing, I would have said she's lubricant. Because, in fact, she's a lubricant to my heart. When my heart is stiff, that girl lubricates, the thought of that girl lubricates the hard part of my life. You know, her name is, by her parents, her name is Obianuju. But out of excess magnanimous romantically, loviously, and from the Imerienwe, that is to say, deep down of my heart, Heartland FM, Imerienwe, I call her Uju Baby.
Hey, that is good. That is a good news. Go and bring her. Let me see her so I can interview her, know who her parents is, so that we can plan on how to go and see her parents.
It's all right. That we will do. That we will do, Uncle.
Okay, that's good. This is a good news, a wonderful news, and we need to drink to that. So, do you have anything at home for us to celebrate this good news?
Uncle, how can you ask an international entity like me if I have something? Knowing fully well that I left Buckingham Palace to this place. Okay. I should have every natural, what it takes. Uncle, let me tell you, I have England wine, European wine. Okay. The very first day I accosted Queen Elizabeth, she gave it to me as a result of welcome. On my departure day, I told Queen Elizabeth that I'm going to visit my people. She said, no. Barrister Ignatius, Esquire, Professor, you cannot live like this without having something to present. Let me give you London wine. Queen Elizabeth handed me a bottle of champagne called Champagnon. Yeah, Champagnon. She said, take it home. I have them all. I'll get them for you,
Yeah. This is your briefcase. What are you doing with it? You are in the house and you are still carrying briefcase. What is the problem?
Uncle, the content of this briefcase is something that... In fact, let me ask you, Uncle. Can a man go out leaving his brain at home? He cannot. So this is how this briefcase operates. This briefcase, the content of this briefcase, Uncle, you know it. You know, Uncle, I came out with first class. And as a matter of fact, with what I came back to this place with is first class tickets from Buckingham Palace. You understand? Another document that was signed, endorsed by Queen Elizabeth, all are in Dick's briefcase. Uncle, I cannot leave it. I go out with it. In fact, I rather lose this house than losing this briefcase. I am telling you, Uncle, come a briefcase IGF, let me fall. This briefcase means a loss to me. In fact, Uncle, instead of this briefcase to loss, look for me. I keep this briefcase. It's alright.
That's not we started. So I bring the drink and let's celebrate.
It's alright. Uncle, I would have said hold this briefcase. No. Judging by what I just said and things that are contained in this briefcase, let me go with it.
So you don't trust me?
Uncle, I trust you, but I don't trust your action. For you, I trust you, but I don't trust what you will do. Do you know, in fact, to be very honest with you, this is one of the happiest moments of my life. I am telling you, ever since I came back.
It's a lie.
This is true.
Tell me you are joking.
I cannot be joking with such issues. You know, I cannot be considered a joker. I cannot spend all the days in Europe dining and discussing with Queen Elizabeth in Buckingham Palace only for me to be repatriated to this place to become a joker. No, I am not a joker. No, I am damn serious and I mean it. I want you to be my wife. Please, marry me.
Yes, yes, I'll marry you. I'll marry you.
I love it. This is wonderful. In fact, no amount of words can express how happy I am. I am so joyous inside, so happy at this point in time of my life. I don't know, but in a nutshell, let me say, I want to guarantee you this. Before you, before me, before the vegetations of this land, before heaven, before earth, that you will never and ever suffer. In fact, face any perilous time as far as I am concerned. I will make the road smooth and smoother for you. This is why I am called Professor Erudite Ignatius Nweke. According to Queen Elizabeth of Buckingham Palace, she said, Nweke, you are a man of your words. And I am proving to you, I'm going to prove to you here that I am a man of no perilous time. In the time of stress, I will be there for you. Through thick and thin, I promise you that. That is okay. I want you to be the mother of your children. You can do it.
Please, I have to get going now.
Yeah, you gotta go. It's okay, you can go. Having accepted me, having said yes to my proposal, you can go.
My friends will hear this. I have to go.
This is wonderful. Ceteris paribus. Wonderful. Fantabulous. This is one in a million. Let me tell you, not just your friends, your parents, your relatives.
So, you mean the mother doubted the message?
Yes, Father, she doubted me and she even asked me out of the house. She said that I've gone to connive with one fake man of God to come and give them fake prophecy.
The devil is a liar.
Yes, Father, the devil is a liar, but Father, please, you have to help them. Please, even if it means coming with me to their house. Biko.
Okay, I have heard you. But I am quite busy today. But see me in the parish tomorrow morning. Yes, tomorrow morning.
Okay. Thank you very much for that.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Father, you're welcome to my humble abode. Father, to what do I owe this visit?
I have come to see you and your daughter. Believing God that He will bring back the peace to this family and make your daughter back to herself again.
Amen. I can't wait to have her back to normal. Father, were you the person that sent her from?
Oh yes, I sent him. But he came back to me and said you doubted him. And that is why I have decided to come myself.
I didn't know, Father. I am sorry.
While I was praying, the Lord revealed something to me.
He did?
Yes.
What?
The Lord said you know something about your present predicament. And until you make it known, you will never know peace as you ought to be experiencing in this family.
It's my fault. Father, it is all my fault. It happened when, a long time ago when I was young.
Ned, is there anybody at home? Ned, my leg. I enjoyed when I was coming back, please. Please, can you help me and go and buy drugs? Become one. Hey.
This shall never end.
Ned, did you remember that I'm your mother?
Why am I talking to this old woman? What am I talking to?
Alueme.
Eh?
Hey!
Obi
Agbawanamo. You are talking to your mother.
Winch like you.
Hey!
Just because of this small injury, you're just shouting up and down.
Hey.
Every time, Ned in this house. See, stop disturbing me in this house. Oh. Stop disturbing me in this house. Let me warn you. Stop disturbing me in this house. What kind of rubbish is this now?
Ned.
Why didn't you die?
Hey! How can see you? Ned, did you remember you are talking to your mother? Hey!
Hey, this woman. What kind of bitch is this now? Eh?
My waist, oh.
Hey.
Ned! You are leaving your mother. Hey. Hey, what? Ah. Ned, who took the money inside my bag? Can I have a leg on? Eh?
Mama, leave me alone. I don't know what you're talking about.
Who took the money inside my bag?
Hey, this woman upstairs again. What is it? What is it this time around? What is it?
Every time you keep stealing my money, today is the end of it.
Mama, I don't know what
Are you hearing me?
I don't know what you're talking about. What is this now? Ogenide? I don't know what you're talking about.
You are shouting at me.
Yes, I'm shouting at you. What is this now? Why are you holding me?
I am holding you because my money is not there.
Mama, leave me alone.
Provide my money. Provide my money!
I am not providing any money because I didn't take any money. So leave me alone.
So if I do not lose, what will happen?
If
I did not leave you alone, what will happen?
Mama, leave me. I'm warning you.
See,
I don't want anybody to say that I've killed somebody here. Leave me alone. I'm warning you.
Who will you kill? Who will you kill?
Okay, leave me alone.
I will not.
Mama, leave me alone.
I will not. Mama, you are Ned.
Mama,
Ned.
Mama,
Ned.
Hey, Mama.
Ned. The power to me! Hey! Anabaya Begununo! Hey! Never said! Hey! Neddy! Anabai! I didn't do this to my mother! Neither did I do it to my father. Neddy. From today. Okay? Oh yeah. Alpha. Nkwo. Hey. Even your children. Is he a male or a female? They will do this double portion of it. Even when you get married, your husband will do the same thing. So shall it be. There shall be no rest. Hey! Look at me. Look at me. I have you as a daughter. You are my only daughter. Neddy. You poured water on me. Hey!
Oh no, please stand up. Oh, please stand up.
Father, please ask God to forgive me.
Please stand up. You are not supposed to kneel before me. The curse by your mother is the root of all the problems this family has been experiencing. Yes. Even your daughter's misbehavior whenever she comes across anybody.
Father, what do I do? Father, please pray for me.
I want you to understand one thing. There is nothing, absolutely nothing impossible for God to do. Do you believe that God can heal your daughter?
I believe that God can do anything.
I will tell you something important. You will go back to your mother's grave. say a decade of the rosary and ask her for forgiveness. Then you go back to your mother's sisters and also ask them to pray on your behalf. Then when that is done, I shall return to join you and your family in prayers.
I will do as you said, Father.
Okay. She will be fine. You're welcome.
What is it? What is it?
Please, sir. We've come to ask you for forgiveness.
You come to ask me for forgiveness? What have I done to you? Did I do anything to you that you're asking me for forgiveness?
Sir, yeah? Sir, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for all the things I've done to you. I promise. In fact, I'm a changed person. I would never ever do it to you.
Shut up!
Hey! You. We've come to ask you to forgive Enuma. Please, sir. Sir,
This one. So Enuma, upon all the things you have done to us in this village, all the elders including me, and all the girls in this village, you still have the gall to come to my house to beg me or to ask for forgiveness? See, I know it will happen to you. I know it will happen to you. Look at you. Look at your body. See, it should be you say you are a woman man.
Hey, no, that was then. I am not Enuma Nwa Jesus and not one man number again. Because forgive.
Now you have realized that you are nobody. I know you will die on this.
Ew.
You will die.
Leave
my house now.
Sorry, sir.
I said leave my house.
Sir,
leave my house.
I'm a changed person, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
See.
Please help us beg your father.
Let me tell you.
Papa, I'm sorry, please.
Huh?
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Sorry,
You will die.
I said
leave my house.
Papa, please.
Go inside. Yeah, move inside.
Papa, please.
Go inside.
Papa, please, I beg in the name of God, Papa. Papa, please. Sinema is not a changed person, Papa.
So you asking me to forgive her? Is this not the person that chased you to my house the other day and still chased you around the village, and you are not asking for forgiveness? Eh?
Papa, I know, but she's not a changed person. Please, Papa.
Changed person? I don't believe that. She will die.
No, Papa.
She will die.
Papa, please. Dikeh, we all know you as a very good man. The whole community respects you. We know you have a very good heart, sir. Please, we know Enuma has offended you greatly, but please forgive her. Forgive her, she's a changed person now. Please. Please.
See, when you get home, grind it and put it in a container, eh? And be rubbing it around your wound. Okay? But I want you to be a changed person, like you promised. If you do not change, something worse than this will happen to you.
No. Oh, Mba.
Take it.
Oh, take it.
So you can go now, eh? Your sins are forgiven.
Oh, thank you, Papa.
Thank you,
you will
sir.
live longer.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you.
Thank you. Oh! Why?
Sorry,
Don't
worry, you'll be fine.
Thank you. Oh, bye-bye.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good evening, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you, Enoma. How are you?
Father, thank you so much.
Father, do you know, after carrying out all that you advised, Father, it's been like a miracle. It's short, it's a miracle. She's been healing gradually, steadily. Father, look at her. From going to confession, deliverance in church, attending mass, receiving Holy Communion. Father, it is a miracle. Look at my daughter. Tell Father.
Father, as you can see, he's healing gradually. I'm so happy.
It's just the scars left.
All glory to God.
Father, she actually followed me to the farm today,
Yes.
right?
We have to give every glory to God. Enoma, it's not really your fault. Yes. But it is always very, very important to respect our elders and those who are very close to us, especially the men of God. You know, it's as a result of what your mother did to her own mother, and the curse was laid on her. But today, we give every glory to God because the whole curse has been lifted.
Amen. Father, it's all thanks to you. If not for you, Father, you delivered my family from destruction. May God bless you, bless you, bless you.
You're welcome, but we'll give every glory to God. It's not by our own making. What about our family?
He left some hours ago.
Okay. Shall we pray? In the name of the Father,
And of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
our Father,
Who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come.
Enuma wa manduba, Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. Obu woke, I don't know. Obu wanye, I did I'm sure. Kade punko melone me kwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa manduba. I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wa manduba. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba. I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wa mandoba. Enuma wa mandoba. Enuma. I don't want to see window bandiavo. Enuma. Obu woke, I don't know. Obu wanye, I did I'm sure. Kade punko melone me kwazo. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba. I don't care how Jarema, some back on a bar. Enuma wa mandoba. I'm out to ratatata like machine gun, insulting everyone. Enuma wa mandoba. I don't care how Jarema,